It seemed quite fitting to have the airfield lights on here at the RAF Smith Museum, as we've had a delivery. Wrapped up there, folks, is 2 Merlin V12s from Halifax HR871. We also have the tailwheel assembly and some panelling, and the hub from a propeller. These have just come all the way from Sweden, folks. One engine is going to another museum, one will be staying here. The tailwheel will be going across to Canada, and this is all thanks to Carl Cascard of the Halifax 57 Rescue. Thank you, Carl.